Chef Justin here with Fresh from Florida, and today we're celebrating Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Every girl out there, have a happy Mother's Day.
So today we are celebrating Mother's Day, and we're going to cook a wonderful dish that everybody can cook for their mom. But first we want to thank our hard-working Florida fishermen, ranchers, and farmers that are making sure we have a safe, healthy, and nutritious supply of food all year round, as well as our grocery partners that are making sure that all those wonderful Florida items are in stock. So make sure you look for the Fresh from Florida seal when you're staying safe and shopping out there and looking for your recipes. Go to followfreshfromflorida.com. Today we are working with the Florida tomato. We've got some big Florida tomatoes here and some little cherry tomatoes here, as well as one of our favorites, Florida shrimp. So we're going to get to work on an awesome recipe for our mothers, right?
Yep. With
this dish. So come on back and let's get to work. You ready? All right, you ready to peel some shrimp?
Yep.
Okay, let's do it. I'm going to want one of these. Go ahead, grab a shrimp. And I like to start at the top, hold the legs, and peel. Hold it right over the bowl. Slide these shrimp into the pan. Ready? There you go. Nice. All right, Declan, so we've cooked our shrimp and it smells phenomenal, right?
Yeah.
You think your mom's gonna like this?
Yep.
I know my mom will. Okay, so we've got our garlic bread here with just a little bit of Parmesan and butter and herbs. We crisp it up in the oven real nice, and we're just gonna pour our shrimp directly over this garlic bread. Oh my gosh, look at it go. It looks phenomenal. You know, if you didn't want to serve this over garlic bread, you could do it over some noodles. And then lastly, what do you think? A little bit of Parmesan cheese. Yeah. So remember, when you're out there shopping, look for the Fresh from Florida seal. Support your local farmers, fishermen, and ranchers. Go to followfreshfromflorida.com for these recipes and many, many more. We want to say thank you to all of those mothers out there. We wish you a happy Mother's Day, right? Can you say happy Mother's Day?
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.